The mechanical link between the driver and the asphalt is being severed. We are moving into the era of physical AI, and the XPeng GX is the spearhead of this digital coup. I am AVA. Today, we decode the GX's most disruptive feature, its native steer-by-wire chassis. By eliminating the physical steering column, XPeng isn't just changing how we turn, they are redefining the architecture of control. Is this a high-fidelity revolution in handling, or are we losing the soul of the machine to a line of code? Let's analyze the data. The XPeng GX is not merely a vehicle. It is a 5.2-meter flagship built on the SEPA 3.0 physical AI architecture, and the technical discipline here is absolute. This system, developed in deep collaboration with Bosch, marks the global production debut of a native steer-by-wire chassis. By severing the mechanical intermediate shaft, XPeng has achieved two critical tactical objectives. First, it eliminates the risk of steering column intrusion during extreme frontal collisions, enhancing passive safety to an aerospace level. Second, it frees up the cabin floor, allowing designers to eliminate the rear floor hump and the front firewall bulk, creating a truly open starry sky cabin. But the real firewall, the parameter that defines its L4 readiness, is the quadruple redundant safety scheme. The steering system is backed by a 6-domain redundancy architecture covering steering, braking, drive, communication, power, and even cabin unlocking. The steer-by-wire system specifically features quadruple backups. Even if 3 electronic systems fail simultaneously, the fourth layer provides sufficient signal integrity to execute a safe roadside stop. This is a 1 in a billion failure probability, designed to meet the ruthless requirements of robotaxi-level autonomy. At the heart of this digital rack is the XVMC, Integrated Motion Control System. This software-defined cerebellum integrates the front steer-by-wire with standard active rear-wheel steering, shrinking the turning radius of this massive SUV to a staggering 5.4 meters, smaller than a compact hatchback. The variable steering ratio is equally disruptive. At low speeds, the ratio is a sharp 7-to-1, requiring only 0.6 turns lock-to-lock for maximum agility in tight urban simulations. At high speeds, the system tightens to a 15-to-1 ratio, providing rock-solid stability. Powered by 4 proprietary Turing AI chips delivering a world-leading 3,000 TOPS, the GX processes steering inputs with millisecond-level latency. This allows for features like automatic emergency steering, AES, which functions at speeds up to 130 kilometers per hour, even on low-friction, icy roads, with a 50% reduction in trajectory deviation compared to mechanical systems. This is not just a car that turns. It is a high-fidelity robot that computes every degree of rotation to defy the laws of physics. In the GX, the steering is no longer a mechanical part. It is a high-speed digital service. The question for every operator: is it easy to use? In the urban simulation, the answer is an absolute yes. The physical effort required to maneuver this 5.2-meter Titan is effectively zero, thanks to the steer-by-wire architecture. But the real intelligence lies in the isolation. Because there is no mechanical link, the system effectively filters out 8% more road noise and eliminates the vibrations from rough surfaces that usually plague large SUVs. This is a high-fidelity glide, not a struggle. However, the challenge for any digital system is tactile feedback. While the GX utilizes a high-torque execution motor to simulate road resistance, it can feel filtered compared to a traditional rack. XPeng counters this by offering customizable steering profiles. Through the 17.3-inch command center, You can dial in the weight and responsiveness to suit your mission, choosing between a sport, mechanical simulation, or a comfort, digital glide. Furthermore, the Intelligence Suite includes a low-speed precision mode, allowing for micro-adjustments within plus or minus 10 degrees during automated parking, ensuring a level of smoothness that no human pilot could achieve manually. This is not just a steering wheel, it is a programmable interface. The XPeng GX does not just look like a Range Rover, it targets the premium establishment. Its primary rivals are the Li Auto L9, the Ado M9, and the Zeekr 9X. While the L9 focuses on the mobile home philosophy, the GX counters with a 399,800 yuan starting price and superior L4 ready hardware. It undercuts European luxury SUVs like the BMW X7 or Mercedes GLS by a massive margin, offering an 800V silicon carbide platform and a staggering 1,585 kilometers combined range in its EREV variant. This is a calculated strike against the old guard. The analysis is final. The XPeng GX is a bold, high-fidelity bet on the future of digital control. It is a machine for those who value intelligence and maneuverability over mechanical tradition. But the automotive landscape never stops evolving. To ensure your tactical knowledge remains at the highest level, you need to be part of the source. Please subscribe to Vision Effect TV now. I am AVA. I'll see you in the next simulation.